In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a trailer to your YouTube channel in 2020, and cool thing is I'm going to show you how to do it from your phone. If you'd like to learn more about social media, apps, and programs, and you'd like to learn it as quickly as possible, then take knowledge now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. So what you're going to want to do is actually open up your channel on a web browser. I have opened mine up on Google, of course, and just typed in YouTube and searched for Learnerpreneur, and it brought me here. Next, you're going to want to go to the top right-hand side of your browser screen. You're going to see three black vertical dots. Click on those dots. That will open up this tab where you want to go third one from the last one down. It says Desktop Site. Go ahead and click on Desktop Site. That's going to reload your page. It just takes a second, and it's going to look a little bit different when it reloads on the desktop site. You can see, for instance, by pinching and zooming, that you can see it's added these two buttons right here, Customize Channel and YouTube Studio. You're going to want to go ahead and click on Customize Channel. That's going to go ahead and open up this page, which will look similar to this. Of course, your channel will look different than mine. And you can see right here underneath your main tabs, it says, home, videos, playlists, and so on. Underneath that, it says for returning subscribers. And you can click on the one next to it, it says for new visitors. Now, the channel trailer that I have added to my channel is my most popular video. I put it both for returning users and for new visitors. If you'd like to edit this at all, just go ahead and scroll over, click on the top right-hand side, and you're going to see a little pencil open up where it brings you to this page. You can also edit this. Open up that page, and you can choose any video that you have on your channel by just clicking and entering it. You can also go down and click on the video URL. So if you know the URL and just want to add it there, go ahead and do that. When you're done with your choices, go ahead and click the blue button at the bottom right-hand corner. It says Save. If you've made a mistake, just go ahead and click Cancel. I'm going to click Cancel. Now that is for returning subscribers. For new visitors, click on New Visitors. It works exactly the same way. Just go ahead and click on it. You're going to see a pencil open up with a question mark next to it. Click on the pencil. It says Change Trailer or Remove Trailer. Click on Change Trailer, and it'll bring you to the same screen that you saw before. You can see all the videos that are on your channel, which you can of course choose to be your trailer. You can also sort them by newest, most viewed, and videos under 2 minutes. When you're done, just go ahead and click on Save, bottom right-hand side blue button. If you've made a mistake and just want to back out, click Cancel, and of course you can still use a YouTube video URL. I'm going to go ahead and click Cancel, because what I have done with my trailer is I just put my most popular videos there. I don't really have a trailer explaining my channel. It is a pretty simple tutorial channel, and I think the banner pretty much covers it all, and I wanted to get views to that video. So if you have a video that's really doing well on your channel, I actually recommend using that as your channel trailer. Thanks for watching, guys. Have an awesome day wherever you are. Take care.